Want stronger, more defined abs without living on boring salads? Your food choices can make a major difference. Building visible abdominal muscles requires more than endless crunches. It requires enough protein, quality carbohydrates, healthy fats, and nutrient-dense foods. Today, discover 5 powerful foods that can support muscle growth, recovery, and a leaner-looking core. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the simplest and most affordable foods you can add to a muscle-building diet. They provide high-quality protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, making them especially useful for supporting muscle repair and growth after exercise. Since your abdominal muscles are muscles too, they need adequate protein just like your chest, arms, and legs. A large egg provides roughly 6 grams of protein along with important nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and choline. The yolk also contains healthy fats and several vitamins, so there is no need to automatically throw it away. Eating the whole egg can provide a more complete nutritional package. For Americans looking to build stronger abs, eggs can be an easy breakfast or post-workout meal. Try 2 or 3 eggs with vegetables such as spinach, tomatoes, or peppers. You can also pair them with a moderate serving of whole grain toast for additional carbohydrates and fiber. However, remember that eating eggs alone will not magically reveal your abs. Visible abdominal definition depends on your overall diet, activity level, muscle mass, and body fat levels. The goal is to build a balanced eating pattern that supports training while controlling excess calories. If you're trying to develop a stronger core, make protein-rich foods like eggs part of a consistent nutrition plan, not a temporary diet. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is another excellent food choice for people who want stronger, more defined abs. It is especially valuable because it can provide a substantial amount of protein in a convenient, easy-to-eat package. Protein helps your body repair and maintain muscle tissue after resistance training and other physical activity. Depending on the brand, Greek yogurt can provide around 15 to 20 grams of protein or more per serving. Choosing plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt can also help you avoid large amounts of added sugar found in some flavored varieties. For a satisfying snack, combine Greek yogurt with berries, chia seeds, or a small amount of nuts. Berries provide fiber and antioxidants, while chia seeds and nuts add healthy fats and additional nutrients. This combination can help create a filling snack that supports an active lifestyle. Greek yogurt can also be useful at breakfast. Add it to a bowl with strawberries, blueberries, and a small serving of oats. This gives you protein, carbohydrates, and fiber without relying heavily on highly processed foods. For people working toward visible abs, portion size still matters. Even nutritious foods contain calories, and eating significantly more calories than your body needs can make fat loss more difficult. Think of Greek yogurt as part of the bigger picture. Combine adequate protein with strength training, regular physical activity, quality sleep, and a balanced calorie intake. When these habits work together, Greek yogurt can be a convenient and nutritious tool for supporting your journey toward a stronger core. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is a powerful addition to a diet focused on building strong abs because it combines high-quality protein with beneficial fats. A typical serving provides a significant amount of protein, helping support muscle repair and recovery after strength training. One of salmon's most valuable nutritional features is its omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats play important roles in normal body function and cardiovascular health. Salmon also provides nutrients such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium. For someone following a fitness-focused diet, salmon can be an excellent alternative to heavily processed meats. You can bake, grill, or air-fry salmon and serve it with vegetables and a moderate portion of brown rice, quinoa, or potatoes. A simple American-style meal could include grilled salmon, roasted broccoli, and a small baked potato. This combination provides protein, vegetables, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, 4 important components of a balanced meal. Remember, healthy fats are not something you need to completely eliminate when trying to reveal your abs. Your body needs dietary fat for normal physiological functions. The key is choosing nutritious sources and keeping your overall calorie intake appropriate for your goals. If your goal is a stronger, more athletic-looking core, don't focus exclusively on foods marketed as low-fat or diet foods. Instead, build meals around nutrient-dense ingredients like salmon. And remember, salmon cannot directly burn abdominal fat. No single food can do that. But when combined with regular resistance training, adequate protein, and an appropriate overall diet, salmon can help provide the nutrients your body needs to recover and build muscle. Number 4. Oats. Oats are a smart carbohydrate choice for people who want to support their workouts while working towards stronger abs. Many people mistakenly believe that carbohydrates automatically prevent abdominal definition. In reality, quality carbohydrates can provide valuable fuel for exercise. Oats contain complex carbohydrates and fiber which can help make meals more satisfying. They also provide nutrients such as magnesium, iron, and several B vitamins. For an active person, eating oats before a workout can provide a useful source of energy. Try preparing oatmeal with milk or Greek yogurt and adding berries and a small amount of nuts. This creates a balanced meal containing carbohydrates, protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Another advantage of oats is their versatility. You can make traditional oatmeal, overnight oats, or blend oats into a protein-rich smoothie. This makes them especially convenient for busy Americans who want nutritious meals without spending a lot of time cooking. However, be careful with highly sweetened instant oatmeal products. Some flavored varieties can contain considerable amounts of added sugar. Check the nutrition label and consider choosing plain oats, then adding natural ingredients such as cinnamon, berries, or banana for flavor. If you're training hard to develop your abdominal muscles, carbohydrates can help support your performance. Better workouts can make it easier to progressively challenge your muscles over time. The important point is balance. Oats are not a magic food for getting abs, and eating unlimited portions will not produce better results. Use appropriate serving sizes and combine oats with protein and other nutrient-dense foods. A consistent diet, strength training, and overall healthy lifestyle will matter much more than any single ingredient. Number 5. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a classic choice for people who want to build lean muscle, and it can easily fit into a diet designed to support stronger abs. It is naturally high in protein while being relatively low in fat, especially when the skin is removed. Protein provides amino acids your body uses to repair and maintain muscle tissue. This is particularly important when you're doing resistance exercises such as planks, leg raises, squats, push-ups, or other strength training movements. A serving of cooked chicken breast can provide roughly 25 to 30 grams of protein depending on its size. That makes it an easy way to increase your daily protein intake without relying heavily on processed foods. Instead of deep-frying chicken or covering it with heavy sauces, try grilling, baking, roasting, or air-frying it. Pair it with vegetables and a quality carbohydrate source such as brown rice, beans, sweet potatoes, or whole grains. For example, you could prepare a simple chicken bowl with grilled chicken breast, black beans, lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, and a small serving of brown rice. This type of meal provides protein, fiber, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. But remember, eating chicken breast alone won't make your abs visible. Your body fat level, genetics, training routine, total calorie intake, sleep, and consistency all influence how your abdominal muscles look. Think of chicken as one reliable protein source within a complete nutrition strategy. If your goal is to build a stronger core and improve your overall physique, focus on consistency rather than perfection. Eat enough protein, train your entire body, stay active, and choose mostly nutrient-dense foods. Final takeaway: eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, oats, and chicken breast can all support a balanced fitness diet. Combine these foods with regular strength training and healthy lifestyle habits to work toward a stronger, leaner, more defined core.